Replacing a lost Visa credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, contact your credit card issuer immediately to report the card as lost or stolen. You can find the contact information on the back of your card, on your statement, or on the issuer's website. It is essential to act quickly to prevent any potential unauthorized transactions on your account. When you call the issuer, be prepared to provide your name, card number, and other identifying information to verify your identity. The issuer will then cancel your old card and initiate the process of issuing a new one. You may be asked to confirm the last transaction you made on the card or provide other details to verify your account activity. Next, request a replacement card, which will be sent to you via mail or courier service. Depending on the issuer's policy, you may receive a temporary card or a digital card that you can use while waiting for the physical replacement. Make sure to update any automatic payments or subscriptions linked to the old card to avoid any disruptions. In addition, review your account statement to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to the issuer immediately. Your liability for unauthorized transactions is typically limited to $50 or less, depending on the issuer's policy and the circumstances. To prevent similar situations in the future, consider taking steps to protect your card information, such as using a cardholder or keeping your card in a safe place. You can also set up account alerts and monitor your transactions regularly to detect any potential issues early on. In summary, replacing a lost Visa credit card involves contacting the issuer, canceling the old card, requesting a replacement, and updating any linked accounts. By acting quickly and taking preventative measures, you can minimize the risk of unauthorized transactions and ensure a smooth replacement process.